And it's now time for the business day. The government is moving to update the regime under which tax incentives can be given to those doing large-scale projects in Jamaica. Finance Minister Favour Williams opened the debate on the legislation in the House of Representatives on Tuesday.
The new act, entitled the Large-Scale Projects and Pioneer Industries Tax Relief Act 2025, is consequently designed to provide a clear administrative regime for entities who meet the criteria to qualify for a suite of tax incentives determined based on the size and scope of the entity proposing the large investment. The Act also facilitates the creation of an application and management committee to review applications to ensure that the entities who meet the criteria are suitable based on the projected plans for economic growth and development of Jamaica.
The Large-Scale Projects and Pioneer Industries Tax Relief Act 2025 will also introduce a rules-based system to improve transparency and accountability. The minister has to consult with the Application and Management Committee before deciding which projects can get the tax incentive. All categories of fuel except automotive diesel will be increased effective tomorrow. Each litre of 87 gasoline and 90 gasoline will be increased by $3.06. Automotive diesel will, however, fall by 15 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will be increased by $3.06. Kerosene will also see an increase of $3.06. The cost of propane and butane will increase by $3.06. Each petrol station will make adjustments to the prices. The Jamaican dollar lost more ground today against all major currencies. Trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.46. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.64. The pound is going for $212.91, while the euro is selling for an average $183.65. The JSE index advanced by 3,285 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 49 points. Advancing stocks include we had JFP, AS Bryden & Sons Holdings, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Consolidated Bakeries, and Palace Amusement. The 24 declining stocks were led by Elite Diagnostic, JPS 7% preference shares, G West Corporation, Cygnus Credit Investments 8% preference share, and Berger Paints. 27 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the business day. Regional and international stories are next.